The U.S. braces for the biggest snowstorm since snow was invented. Five states declared a state of emergency as the Northeast braces for the biggest snowstorm in the universe that could drop up to 3 feet of snow and hit areas with hurricane-strength winds. Airports along the East Coast have been shutting down with more than 6,000 flights canceled. In NYC, all vehicles except for emergency vehicles were banned from the roads after 11 p.m. on Monday. As NYC prepared, Mayor Bill de Blasio said this will be one of the biggest blizzards in history. No word on if the NYPD heard him. Businesses, however, have been loving the overblown media hype. What role will Chris Christie play in all of this? Will New York really be hit with the biggest snowstorm this planet has seen since the beginning of recorded time? Either way, snow day!
TomoNews.net is throwing $100 bills of the 20 funniest comments on our website every month, only at TomoNews.net.